pork, veal, beef, lamb, rabbit, chicken, duck, oyster, squid, lobster, crab, clams, mussels, tuna, trout, cod, carp, sea bass, salmon. She often stews vegetables for dinner. I like steamed rice. They always roast turkey for Christmas. She hardly ever bakes bread. Boil the pasta for 10 minutes. Shall I boil some water for tea? Grill the fish for 2 or 3 minutes on each side. Fry the onions in a little butter.